Guys, good morning. Can you hear me? Harsha, Dipesh. Guys, can you able to hear me? Guys? Guys, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Thank you. Okay. Can you able to see the screen, guys?
Yes, sir.
Well. Yeah. Today we'll talk about the geography and tourism in Brazil. Okay. So as we are aware, Brazil, it's a beautiful country from our South American continent. Nirali. Okay. Yeah. This Brazil, very beautiful and largest country from South American continent, and this country it has its beaches to offer. It has its few of the cities for city tour, and as I already mentioned about the beaches, it has its cities for city tour, and apart from that, it has its Amazon River basin. Okay, so that is again, as we are aware, that is the largest river from our South American continent. A major part of Amazon River, it flows in Brazil. Okay, so that Amazon river belt, it has a very dense forest, and it is known for its few of the uniqueness, guys. Okay, if I mention that uniquenesses, like you might have heard about anacondas. Okay, the biggest snakes whatever we are having, the anacondas, not in the bigger size whatever you see in the movies. Okay, but in the smaller scale to that, okay, even today, the Brazil people, they can witness once they move towards this Amazon River basin. Okay, even today in the Amazon River, you will going to see the anacondas. Even those anacondas, sometimes they come on the roads of your Brazil, and many a times a whole highway has been blocked by these anacondas. Okay, many a times that incident has happened in Brazil. Okay, so if you are keen to see those anacondas, then Brazil is the best place. And Brazil, it's a home to one of the wonder. Okay, whatever the 7 wonders we are having in the world. Okay, Christ de Redimir, whatever we are having this Jesus Christ statue, that Christ de Redimir, one of the world wonder. It is in the Brazil, guys. Okay, it is in the Brazil. And apart from that, Brazilian people, they are very friendly. Okay, they are very friendly with the tourist. And the majority of the people from the Brazil, they speak Portuguese. Then what I can say, yeah, again, if I mention this, Brazil, it is the country which exports largest coffee. Okay, Brazil is the largest producer of the coffee in the world. Apart from that, sugarcane. Okay, sugarcane also, they are the largest, and we should be proud that we are the second largest in production of sugarcane. Okay, kabbu ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ. But Brazil, the main agriculture of the Brazil, it is dependent on the coffee plantation and the sugarcane. Okay, and apart from that, if I say anything about Brazil, the Brazilian people, they love to live in the cities. 88 around, 88% of the people, they live in the cities. And hardly a few people, okay, 12% people, they live in the villages of your Brazil. Okay, majority of the people, they like to stay in the cities of the Brazil. Okay, are you getting, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Many of the people, they love to live in the cities. Okay, and yeah, that's there. Okay, they grow coffee, and they grow sugarcane. That is the major agricultural products from this Brazil. And apart from that, Brazil attracts a number of tourists. Okay, for tourism also, it is a very popular country because of its beautiful beaches. Okay, whatever it has, and few of the cities. Okay, and due to this Christ de Redeemer, one of the world wonder, like in India also, we are having one of the world wonder out of 7, that is the Taj Mahal. Okay, Taj Mahal also attracts a number of foreign tourists, right? Okay, like that, this Christ de Redeemer, okay, which is in Rio de Janeiro, Rio city, that attracts a number of foreigners, okay, foreign tourists towards it. Okay, so we will see, we'll see the theory as well as the geography part of this Brazil. Okay, this is the Brazilian country. Okay, this is Brazil. Here you can see it shares countries with n number of countries, guys. Okay, whatever it has, I think 12 countries. Out of that, among 10 countries, this Brazil shares a border. It doesn't share a border only with, I think Chile is the one, and another country. Okay, which is that country? Colombia, Ecuador, Nigeria. Okay, there is another one country here. Okay, Ecuador. Yeah, Ecuador, that is. Okay, Chile and Ecuador. Okay, Chile and Ecuador, these two countries. Okay, with whom the Brazil doesn't share its country's border. But apart from those two countries, okay, each and every countries of your South American continent, this Brazil, it shares a border. Okay, so here you can see, okay, this green color country, it shares a border with almost 10 countries of your South America. The basic theory I have added here. Okay, as I already told you, this, as we are aware, Brazil, it is located in the South American continent, and this is the fifth largest country in the area wise, and sixth largest in terms of a population in the world. And Brazil has a border with 10 countries, as I already told, with a border of 16,885 kilometer. Very vast border which it has. Okay, after this is whatever the border it shares. Okay, that third longest border whichever it shares. Okay, after China and Russia. Okay, and Brazil, it has 27 states in it, and the largest river of the Brazil, and the second largest in the world, is Amazon. Okay, that flows in the this Brazil country. And Brazil people, they love football. Okay, as you know, okay, football, they are very fond towards that, and they love it. They and Many of the FIFA football World Cups have been owned by this Brazil. And guys, believe me, don't take me wrong. Okay, here, ಎಷ್ಟು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಆ ಫುಟ್ಬಾಲ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ರೇಜ್ ಅದ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಮೆನಿ ಅ ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಫುಟ್ಬಾಲ್ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಕಪ್ ಗೆದ್ಮೇಲೆ the women's, they have thrown their all the clothes in the ground and they have danced. Okay, so ಅಷ್ಟು ಕ್ರೇಜ್ ಅದ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಆ ಒಂದು ಫುಟ್ಬಾಲ್ ಮೇಲೆ. Okay, and finally, as I told you, Brazil, that is the country which is largest producer of the coffee in the world. Okay, ಏನ್ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಫಿ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, that is majorly, okay, we are whole world ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಫಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಆಗದ majorly Brazil ಇಂತ, because they are the largest producer. Okay, and n number of people's life that is dependent on the this coffee. Okay, yeah, next we'll move towards this physical geography of this Brazil. Okay, when you talk about the physical geography, ಭೌಗೋಳಿಕ ಲಕ್ಷಣಗಳು, okay, ಅಲ್ಲಿದ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, okay, in short ಅಲ್ಲಿ we can divide that whole Brazil into 5 regions. North region, northeast region. ನಾರ್ತ್-ಈಸ್ಟ್, ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ವೆಸ್ಟ್, ಸೌತ್ ಈಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೌತ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ನೆನ್ಪಿಡ್ಬೇಕು ಗೊತ್ತಾ, ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಥಿಯರಿ ಬೇಡ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಆಸ್ ಐ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಯು ಅರ್ಲಿಯರ್, this Brazil, it is popular for its Amazon rainforest. ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ, Amazon river the east and west side it has a dense forest. Okay, and that dense forest, it has a variety of flora and fauna. And this Amazon rainforest, it is very dangerous, guys. It is very dangerous. Okay, and how the dangerous, if you ask me an example, in this Amazon rainforest there is one island called Snake Island. Okay, the name itself, Snake Island. In that Snake Island, okay, it is totally restricted area for the people. ಓಕೆ, ರಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟೆಡ್, ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಯಾಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಫಿಲ್ಡ್ ವಿತ್ ದಿ ಸ್ನೇಕ್ಸ್, ಗೈಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅಂಡ್ ದಟ್ ಪಾಯ್ಸನಸ್ ಸ್ನೇಕ್ಸ್. ಕೆಲವೊಬ್ರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರ, ಡ್ಯೂ ಟು ದರ್ ಎಂಥು, okay, enthu, they have entered into that snake island and they have not returned back. That kind of stories we are having. Okay, so that Amazon rainforest, it is there, and that Amazon rainforest you will going to see in the northern part of Brazil. Okay, north, it has the Amazon rainforest. Okay, in short, I will tell you. Okay, just whatever the red point hakidini adu ashte bariri nim exam ge, whole theory barkod code bitre. Okay, then northeast, it is the driest and hottest place in our Brazil. And when you come to this southeastern part, okay, so this southeastern part, it is popular for its industries and agricultural production happens in this thing. Okay, whatever sugarcane I told you. Okay, and south, okay, when you talk about the totally south, again, the economy of this southern part, the people, it is dependent on the agriculture and a service sector. It is your again some part of a tourism industry. It has beaches, okay, and it has resorts, hotels, restaurants. So from that, these people, they earn the money. And when you talk about this south, again, this southern part of this Brazil, it has the European ancestry. Okay, European people, they have settled down there, and now their what I can say, son, their grandson, like that. Okay, the generations people, they are living here. Okay, but their base is from Europe. They are not from the natives of Brazil. Okay. And central west, when you talk about the central west, it has the forest valleys, semi-arid highlands, and vast wetlands. Okay, so that is about physical geography of your Brazil when you talk about this. Okay, then move to the basic information, guys, okay, which you need to know, okay, before entering into that country, or when you suggest this country for a tourist. The basic information which we required is the continent. As we are aware that this Brazil, it is in the South American continent, and when you talk about IATA areas, okay, it is in the IATA area 1. Official language is Portuguese, as I told you again. So why this is again official language is Portuguese again? Okay, let me tell you guys, this place again, Brazil, it has been ruled by the Portuguese people for many years. So there is the influence of Portuguese people in this region. Okay, so majority of the people, they speak Portuguese, as well as again, I think this is largest Portuguese speaking country. Okay, okay, and official language is also they have made as the Portuguese. And longitude wise, okay, when you see this GMT line, towards the western part it is located. Okay, from GMT it is 51 degree 92 minutes 53 seconds west. And when you talk about latitudes, it is in the southern hemisphere. Okay, as we see, okay, that your North American continent, it is in the northern hemisphere. Our South American continent, it is the southern hemisphere part. Okay, it is in latitude wise, it is in the south. Okay, that to 14 degree from equator, 14 degree towards the south, 14 degree 23 minutes 50 seconds degree. Okay, south. Then when you talk about the GMTs, okay, it has -2, -3, -4, and -5. These 5 GMTs. Okay, this Brazil has. And tourism tagline is Brazil sensational. And visa facility, prior visa we need before entering into this country as an Indian citizen. When you talk about the capital city, Brasilia, this is the present capital city. But if you see the history of Brazil again, it went on changing its capital cities, guys. Okay, so earlier, before this, it was the Rio de Janeiro. Okay, whatever Christ the Redeemer, Christ statue, whatever we are having, that was the capital city. Okay, before this, after that again, after Rio de Janeiro, after Rio, now this Brasilia, they have made the capital city. And when you talk about Brasilia, it is not too much new, too much old city, guys. Okay, it is new city which they have developed. And they have made that Brasilia as their present capital city. Then currency, okay, currency is real, REAL, real. Okay, and Sao Paulo is the largest city of Brazil. And Rio de Janeiro, Sao Paulo, Salvador, these are the major tourism destinations of Brazil. And when you talk about the neighboring countries, as I told you, it shares a border with 10 countries of South American continent. Okay, French Guiana, Suriname, Guyana, Venezuela, Colombia, Peru, Bolivia, Paraguay, Argentina, Uruguay. Okay, with all these countries, Brazil shares its border. And this is what the area. Okay, 85 lakh 15,767 square kilometer. And it has the population of around 22 crore. Okay, 22 crore population it has. And major religion is Roman Catholic. Okay, so that is about what the geography and the basic information of your and interesting facts, few of the interesting facts of our Brazil. Now we will move to the part B of Brazil, that is major tourist attraction or tourism of Brazil. When you talk about tourism in the Brazil, as I already cleared that concept, it is popular for its beaches, it is popular for its Caixa de Redeemer, okay, which is the one of the world wonder, which is in the Rio de Janeiro. Because of that, and it has few beautiful cities. It has Amazon rainforest belt. Okay, so that is what the tourism of your Brazil is. Okay, First, I will move to the Crash de Redimir, okay, which is in the Rio de Janeiro. Very beautiful attraction, guys. Okay, because it's what I can say. It's a combo of your natural as well as the man-made thing. Okay, symbiotic, whatever you say. Okay, I can say. Okay, it is not exact that, because this beautiful monument, whatever the Crash de Redimir. Okay, the statue of the Christ, Jesus Christ, whatever they have built it in the hilltop. Okay, they have built it on the hilltop. When it reach this place, you will going to see the beauty of Rio de Janeiro, okay, from the top. And you can see, sir, it is surrounded with the greenery, guys. Okay, you can see this greenery, mountains, that kind of environment. Okay. And because of its world wonder importance, I have tried to add much more information about this one attraction, guys. Okay, apart from that, very short one paragraph information I have added because of its importance, guys. Okay, as we are aware, it is one of the world wonder. I have collected more information regarding this attraction. Okay, so Crash de Redimir, whenever we say, this is what we have to remember is, it is the statue of Jesus Christ. Okay, Crash de Redimir, which is the world wonder, which is in the Rio de Janeiro of the Brazil country. It is the statue of Jesus Christ. Okay, it is the statue of Jesus Christ. And the height of this Crash de Redimir is 30 meters. Okay, and the project, it is completed in the 1931. 1931 project complete ಆಯ್ತು. And it is 30-meter long statue, and it is not a monolithic statue, guys. Okay, our construction ಮಾಡುವಾಗ they have built it in a parts. They have taken the parts and they have assembled at that place. Okay, and yeah, so the sculptor, okay, uh, he was a French man and Brazilian engineer. Okay, then they have used concrete as well as soapstones. Okay, soapstones and concrete they have used. Soapstone ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ESI ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಹೊರಗಿನ ಸೈಡ್ಗೆ, that kind of a thing. Okay, and yeah, so this again, whatever the 30-meter tall statue we are having, it has a base. Okay, it has a base of 8 meters. Okay, in that base, okay, here you can see. Okay, here you can see, this is again base. Okay, it is a 8-meter base. Okay, so again in this base of your Crash de Redimir, it has a chapel. Chapel andre Christianity alli, it is the place where weddings going to happen. Okay, weddings ಗಳಾಗಂತ place ಅದ. Okay, chapel. Okay, and in addition to this, again, as I already told you, it is one among the 7 wonders of the world, and it is located on the Corcovado mountain. Okay, mountain ಹೆಸರಿದ Corcovado. Okay, at the top of Corcovado mountain. And as I told you, 12th October 1931 it has opened to the people. And in 2012, this, by seeing the importance of this Crash de Redimir Jesus Christ statue, they have added under UNESCO. Okay, in 2012, and from 2017 it is under the world wonder list. Okay, and okay, yeah, so this, whatever this Crash de Redimir statue you are going to see, the arms are open. Okay, and he is not holding anything in his hands. Okay, and what I can say here is, okay, here this one, the statue of the Christ, or the Crash de Redimir, it faces towards the east. Okay, ಸೂರ್ಯೋದಯ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಆ ಒಂದು ದಿಕ್ಕಿಗೆ ಅದರ ಫೇಸ್ ಅದ, and the arms, they are pointing towards the north and south. Okay, ಫೇಸ್ ನಿಮ್ದು ಈಸ್ಟ್ ಕಡೆ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕಡೆ ಅದರ ಬೆನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, and ನಾರ್ತ್ and ಸೌತ್ ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ ಕೈ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, open hands. So apart from that, the local people of the Rio de Janeiro, they have struggled a lot to build this Crash de Redimir statue. They have contributed their money for the construction. They have contributed their what I can say, their physical strength. Okay, they have also worked for the construction of this Crash de Redimir attraction in that city. Okay, and yeah, a few of the things is again this monument. Okay, it has affected with the lightning strike. Okay, ಮಳೆಗಾಲದಾಗ ಏನಿದೆ ಸಿಡಿಲ್ ಬೀಳುತ್ತಲ್ಲ. Okay, ಸಿಡಿಲ್ ಲಿಂತ 2 years ಎರಡು ವರ್ಷ 2008 and 2014. Okay, hardly effect ಆಗ್ಯದ ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ. Okay, lightning strike ಲಿಂತ. Okay, so that lightning strike which was in 2008 and 2014, it broke the parts of the fingers. Okay, and it has damaged the head also, head part. Again they have renovated it, but it is somewhere the nature is affecting this statue. Okay, because height igada again mountain anna select ಮಾಡಿದಾರೆ. mountain ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಅದರ height ಅದ, so it is easy to get into this lightning strike. Okay, so that is about your crash the Redimir, guys, was one of the world wonder. Okay, next. Okay, next attraction from the Brazil, which I have added in my bucket list, is Cap Cabana beach. Okay, Cap Cabana, it is again in the Rio de Janeiro city itself. Okay, where you are having the Jesus Christ statue. In that city itself, it has a beautiful beach, guys. Okay, so here from this image also you will going to see, I think. Okay, either the ಈಸ್ಟರ್ನ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅದಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಓಕೆ ಈಸ್ಟರ್ನ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅದ. ಸೊ ಆ ಒಂದು ಬೀಚ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಕಾಣಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ it has its beach. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೌಂಟೇನ್ಸ್ ಅದ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೀಚ್ ಅದ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. Okay, and Rio de Janeiro, that is the city. This Cap Cabana, it's a beautiful beach, guys. Okay, very beautiful beach, and it is among the world's most beautiful beaches. And this is the place where you're going to see the luxury hotels, luxury homes. Okay, and the people, they use this as the place for the sunrise, sunset, whatever the triple S concept we say: sun, sand, and sea. Okay, everything there, everything. Okay, even the kids, they enjoy this Cap Cabana beach. Okay, to make their homes by using the sands. Okay, and yeah, many of the people, they use this beach for the swimming. And few of the people, they play games on the beach. And it has its shops, coffee shops, and yeah, it was so Rio de Janeiro, as I told you, once it was the capital city of your Brazil, one of the old capital city of your Brazil. You can say present day is Brasilia is the capital city, but okay, before that, I think before 2006, I think. Okay, I guess. Okay, so this Rio de Janeiro was the capital city of your Brazil. Okay, that's about the Copacabana. Okay, Copacabana. That's a beach tourism place. Okay, along with that, attached to that, it has a city, but Copacabana, it is popular for its beach. Then next is Cathedral of Brasilia. Cathedral of Brasilia, again, when you talk about this cathedral, okay, cathedral, it is bigger than church. Okay, church ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಚರ್ಚ್ ಗಿಂತ ಸೈಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ದೊಡ್ಡದಿರುತ್ತ, ಅವಾಗ ಅವ್ರು ಕ್ಯಾಥೆಡ್ರಲ್ ಅಂತ ವರ್ಡ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Okay, so here again, very beautiful inside. Okay, you will going to see the 4,000 people at a time, they can enter into this church. Okay, I can use the word church, and they can pray. Okay, and this beautiful Cathedral of Brasilia, okay, which is in the capital city of Brazil, it has the 16 concrete columns. Okay, very beautiful columns it has. Again, you can see here. ಓಕೆ, ಆ ಕಾಲಮ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದಾರೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ನಂಬಲ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ಸ್ ಗಳು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ನಮ್ಮ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇರೋಂತ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿನೂ ಹಾಳು ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರ ಅವ್ರು. ಓಕೆ, ಆ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಯಾರಾದ್ರ ಅದೇ ಅವರೇ ಕಾಣಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಒಳಗಡೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಾಲಮ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರ ಅವರು. ಸಿ ದೀಸ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಯೂಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ಸ್, ಓಕೆ, ಟು ಮೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್. ಬಟ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಆ ಕಾಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನೇ ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ದ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿ ಆಫ್ ದ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಥಿಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ದೀಸ್ ಪೀಪಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ವೆನ್ ವಿ ಟಾಕ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಅಮೆರಿಕನ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಯುರೋಪಿಯನ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, yeah, yeah, again, when you talk about the architect, okay, Oscar Niempier, he was the architect. And 1970 they have completed the construction and dedicated to the people. Okay, yeah, so that is about this cathedral. Then move to the Salvador. Okay, when you talk about Salvador, it's one of the beautiful city from Brazil, where you can see the if you want to see the real culture of Brazil people, okay, real heritage, real culture of the Brazil people, then Salvador is the best place. Okay. And yeah, so as I told you, okay, Brazil's the first capital. Again, Salvador, it has also served as the capital city to the Brazil. It was the first capital city to the Brazil. Okay, Salvador, and the birthplace of the Brazilian culture, whatever the rich culture it has. Okay. So this is Salvador is the birthplace for that. And apart from that, Salvador, it has its architectural buildings, it has its beautiful beaches, it has its rich cuisine, and one of the best thing is biggest carnival celebration you will going to see. Again, sir, what is this carnival festival again? Here, this carnival festival, I think for 1 week. Okay, throughout the 1 week they will celebrate this. ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾತ್ರೆ ತರ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಜಾತ್ರೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ they come out of their homes with uniquely designed clothes. Okay, very unique clothes they wear. And there is a music, a lot of music. There is a lot of drumsticks playing upon, and the people, they drink alcohols, they hang up in that party, they enjoy a lot. Okay, they forget everything. Okay, they forget their stress and that thing. They will enjoy whole this week, okay, as the carnival. Okay, and Salvador, it has the best place for the as I told you, for the beaches and that thing. Okay, so Salvador. Next, move to the Sao Paulo. Okay, again Sao Paulo, it's Brazil's largest city, and it is for its what I can say, its city tour. And if you want to see the people from Italian, Portuguese, Japanese, Spanish, okay, Arabic communities, you will going to see in the Sao Paulo. And yeah, the city also promotes one of the most important fashion week. Okay, again Sao Paulo, it conducts its fashion this fashion week. Okay, since from 1966 they are conducting that thing. Okay, so this Sao Paulo, it is totally for your city tour. Okay,
Yes, sir.
yeah pa. Okay, so that is about your geography and tourism from your Brazil. Okay, any doubts in this? Guys, any doubts you people are having?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay, so here, okay, remember just Crash the Redeemer. When you remember this Crash the Redeemer, remember it is this is the attraction which is one among the world wonder, and this is the Jesus Christ statue. And about that, it is in the Rio de Janeiro, that you remember. After that, Copacabana, whenever we talk Copacabana, again it's a beach destination that you remember. Cathedral of Brasilia, it is one type of a church. And Salvador, okay, the main heritage are the Brazilian cultural site, that is the Salvador. Sao Paulo, as I told you, it is purely a city tour where you will going to see n number of people from different countries settled over there. So that is about your tourism part of your Brazil. Okay, so just will quickly move towards your question bank or model questions. Okay, which we may ask in your this CIE 1, 2, 3. Okay, if this online classes continues. Okay, so the questions may arise like this: the capital city of Brazil, can you answer? Can anyone? Present capital city of Brazil. Hey guys, are you with me? Guys, the capital city of Brazil: Brasilia, Lima, Santiago, Buenos Aires. Which is the capital city of Brazil? What happened? Akhila, Dipesh, Nikhil.
Option A, sir. Brasilia.
Okay.
Brasilia.
Yeah, Brasilia. Okay, Brasilia. The pronunciation is Brasilia. Option A. Very good.
Brasilia.
Yeah, very good. Currency of Brazil, Chilean peso. Sol, Brazilian real, peso.
Brazilian real, sir.
Brazilian real, very good. Okay. Sao Paulo, Salvador, Rio de Janeiro, and Brasilia are the major tourist cities from which country? Argentina, Peru, Chile, Brazil.
Brazil.
Okay, very good. Brazil sensational is the slogan of again Brazil, right? Okay. Dash is the largest Portuguese speaking country in the world.
Brazil.
Brazil. Okay. Crash TD ready-made. Okay, it is very important. Okay, I will check. Okay, on this basis whether you all learned or not. The crashed Redentor or the crashed D Redimir statue sits atop on the Mount Corcovado, overlooking the Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. Which of the following description of the statue is not correct? Okay, what I am talking about? Which of the following description of the statue is not correct? ನಾನು ಯಾವ್ದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವ್ದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್. So the options are: A, the statue holds a cross and globe in its hand. The statue, second one, the statue faces towards the east, and the statue is 98 feet, not counting the base. Okay, a base bitkondu 98 feet height ada anta ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೇಳುತ್ತಾ C point. And the arms of the statue are the arms of the Christ are open wide. Okay, which is not correct. ಇದ್ರೊಳಗ 3 ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅದಾವ, 1 is wrong. Which is that wrong point?
The statue holds a cross.
And a
A
globe.
option.
Yeah,
A,
option.
sir.
Very good, guys. Very good. Okay, so as I told you, as we have learned, the statue, it doesn't hold anything. The hands are open, guys. Okay, and they have made towards the east, southwest, south, east, west, north, south. Okay, north, south ala. Okay, yeah, the statue holds a cross and a globe. That is wrong. Okay, very good. The people of Rio de Janeiro, okay, Rio de Janeiro, Brazil, supported the construction of the Christ the Redeemer statue in many ways. Among them, which of the following? By helping with the construction, by raising the funds, neither of them, both A and B.
By raising the funds.
Okay. Others?
Sir, by helping with the construction.
Okay. Any other answers?
Both A and B.
Any other answers? Now tell me C.
No, sir.
No. Okay. Answer is your D. Okay, both A and D. Okay. The local people, they have supported to collect the money. Okay, when they were lacking with the amount, they have raised the fund. Also, they have helped for the construction also. Because whatever the crushed ready-made statue you will going to see, okay, that is not a single monolithic one. Okay, they have made it in a, they have made it at the base of that hill. They have made it in a parts, and they have assembled it at the top. Okay, ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದಾರೆ ಅವರು, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಅಸೆಂಬಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರೆ ಒಂದಾಗಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ದ ಲೋಕಲ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ಯಾವಾಗ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಸಿಕ್ತಿತ್ತು ಅವಾಗ ಹೋಗಿ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಶ್ರಮದಾನ ಅಂತ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಕನ್ನಡದಾಗ, ಅದನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದಾರೆ ಅವರು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ವಾಟ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ meteorological event has seriously damaged the Rio de Janeiro's landmark crashed the Redeemer statue on
Lightning strike.
2 occasions?
Lightning strike.
Lightning strike. Very good, guys. Very good. Okay, so ಇವೆಲ್ಲ questions ನಾನು ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದಲ್ಲ. In one of the exam, okay, in one of the general exam, they have asked this type of questions from our tourism. Okay, so that's the reason that what is the height of your Christ the Redeemer? 98, 56, 78?
98 feet. 98.
98.
98. Why not 78? 98, huh?
So I think,
98, sir.
Yeah, Rathod. You think?
sir, I think 78.
Okay. Okay. 98 is the answer. Appa.
what is the
Okay.
98, sir?
Yeah. The final question is, the statue was completed in the year. That is, statue means statue of
1931, sir.
1931.
One.
Okay. Any other answers, guys?